a Jamaican choose a career, you know.
Men from Tivoli.
You will not leave here until about Saturday, Sunday.
And then decide if you go in it.
Small vehicles.
Them serious about it, you know.
When the road is damp or slightly, let me use the word dew, the road becomes very slippery.
Then we tell you how long them are going in it for.
This operation is going to continue until the Lord Almighty come for the world.
No special treatment can mash up them head.
Mr. Thiago says flatly reject that offer because I could not have left the government vehicle.
Them will sacrifice them own self.
Nor my men behind me.
Tell you what is what.
A matter of fact, all of us know okra.
Cannot negotiate the water.
The road is slippery like okra.
If you go down there, you are going to get stuck. You can neither go forward and you can neither reverse.
No, say them serious bad. Hear me now, brethren, and hear me now, friend. Watch Bogo with the new dance and at them. When a Jamaican get involved into something, even if a something serious like a safety procedure, we are gonna nice it up. Watch what I mean.
Your life vest is under your feet. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the most important part of the safety demonstration because this is the time where we are going to be demonstrating how to use your life vest. I like myself, I don't want to say I don't know how to swim. And if your electronic device falls and becomes wedged within the seat, may I beg on a please nobody tear down WestJet seats to retrieve it. We ask that you always use care when retrieving your carry-on bags from the overhead bin. Come in, I want you finna code nobody on the flight come in like write up reports. Thank you for choosing WestJet so I can feed my family and pay my mortgage.
If they tried to trick a Jamaican into the Squid Game.
No, I'm not talk to stranger, I'm not engage in a stranger. Alright, let me hear what you say now. Can we play a game? No, I'm not in the game things today. I'm not deal with you turn my square over, then I give you all the money in the briefcase. But if I turn your square over, then I give you a slap. Slap? No, bad man not deal with slap. Go away from boy with them terminology there, brethren. Now I say slap, brethren, where I say box. Yeah. Well, you said that if me turn over your square with my square, then me get all of the money in the briefcase. And if you turn over my own, then you go box me. That you're saying. Alright. I mean, used to shoot range, you know. Yeah, man, I used to something this for me. Alright, watch it now. My turn. Time to give you that box. That you say. Move up. A box you really try to box me? Yo, give me that briefcase there. Oh, Tada. But you want to box me? Go box yourself. Then I did some money alone and you said come give me all this for my pampas for 1 week. MTCN. Me not have that, you know. It's the right amount. I won't even check it, you know, because I trust you, you know. No, man, it was about 4 of them, you know. It was about 4 of them, so we have to make sure that it's all of them get it. Stop it, guys, before I tear your lick. Just sort out that thing for me now. Quick and fast. How come it's just one person that's working? Last time I have to go away and come back. Look here, me there in front of you, you hear? You can't hold me space for me. You know some have my ID though. Babes, how you deal with me so? I'm regular, me come here, you know my face from the last time, babes. Babes, all the security guard know me. I mean, you say money not done over, nothing about me not change. Oh, you move so sister, like you don't know me. Like I know your mother grow me.
The check-in line at the airport. Other people.
Have a safe trip. Thank you.
Jamaicans.
Okay, so I'm only allowed to check on 2 bags. Janet, fling with this. Well, you could put some of the stuff into the other suitcase, ma'am. Janet, open up the suitcase now. Put them inside of that now and roll up the clothes and tight. With some handbag. Then not the same plane all of the luggage them are gonna miss. They want me can just carry everything with me. I want to know if we couldn't carry this because it having the strong back juice them. It having the baba roots. And it having the breadfruit and the ackee. This is some barbecue KFC chicken and little jackfruit in it too, you know. Alright, everything packing neat and nice now. Okay, ma'am, your bag is 100 pounds overweight. No, so don't worry about the overweight. We can manage it when it come off of the plane. No, ma'am, as in you're gonna have to pay an extra $90, ma'am. $90 extra? US or Jamaican? You say each somebody can have 2 bags. Yes, she can carry another bag. Janet, pack all something out of the suitcase and put it back in the other suitcase. Oh, we messed up your order? I am so sorry. Let me get this changed right now, and we'll be right back with the correct stuff that you need. All right?
You could have buy you like
100 I'm normally pay for one.
you should have go in place then where you pay 300. You win lotto, so pay me 750 and me no discount.
You have 750, right? I'm going to give you 1,000 now. How much should you forget?
250. Me not done so. So let's see and go on with your property. I don't want this yo.
Go on, you get dry light.
Where you say?
Dry fitness.
You're full of flux like that. You're kind of chatting up a big face. You're for big and broad and favor fit.
So, as soon as you come out of a course?
Drop your window and go on with your business. You look like a big trial and cross is my man. So no, get me from the wrong side and draw me tongue.
He had the best baby father in a Jamaica. He had the best baby father in a Jamaica.
A Jamaican security guard will wait until you finish park. Then tell you, you cannot park in that spot.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Mommy, can I park right
So why
here?
didn't you tell me that from you saw me trying to park?
There's no parking sign right inside the parking space,
No,
ma'am.
but that sign was very
Well,
pale.
ma'am, if you know that the sign was pale, that means you know that the sign was there. Ma'am, you must learn to read.
But you are quite impertinent.
No, ma'am, I'm not impertinent, ma'am. Don't call me rude, ma'am. Ma'am, don't call me rude, ma'am. Because when you're inside your big office and they tell you what to do inside your office, you have to listen to them, ma'am. So don't make it be because I'm a little security. You come out here and talking to me.
Let me
anyway,
speak
ma'am.
to your supervisor.
Ma'am,
right
I
now.
am the supervisor, ma'am.
Do you know who I am?
Are you a board member?
I'm going to call the police.
Well, you
because
can
this
go
is
ahead
not
and
right.
call the
Where's
police,
my phone?
ma'am. I'm not afraid of police. What the hell the police can do? But while you call the police, ma'am, I beg you move this vehicle from right here, so, ma'am. Oh, me not make sake of you make me lose my work.
What's the work of out of order, miss?
Everybody get ready. It's time to rock steady. It's Baba Boom time. Better get ready. Come to rock steady. Yeah. You got to do this new dance.
Think I never see you when you jump over the wall. You think I never see you when you accidentally pull me. So I make you puppy up it all. Why you accidentally fall? You should crying out for ice water.
To get tight, you have to fit, you have to fit it. To get tight, you have to fit it. What's the matter, people? Solidarity. Solidarity.
Most definitely, sir. I can get that for you. No problem. I never that me a target. Never that me a target. This is Cheryl Robinson calling from Dr. Matthew's office. Mrs. James, you missed your pap smear appointment yesterday. I thump me one thump in your back. I can set one different appointment for you. You hear? You can come 3 o'clock today. You're not here at the moment. Would you like to leave a message?
The odd man for data.
Hi, Mrs. Grace Lane. You can come inside now.
But this man got 19.
Thank you for calling Alkin Jamaican Company head office and Kirk Brandworks. How may I direct your call? Get everything sorted for you. All right.
Wild. One pot of chop.
Good afternoon. My name is Ransford Gillens. How can I be of assistance to you, madam? Number 54.
They also like to walk around. Say that they will 9 nights to come.
One I ready, 2 and fly. Fly away town and not highway, source of fly away. Which part go? Right here, so we can take it anywhere in the world. Just come through. We can't stop at Africa. We can't stop at Cuba.
Brother, judge that. The man that not even understand himself that. Guy come round today, book a flight, him late for the flight. Boom, bam, bam. And agent bring him round. So we did a bam, 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 bam. Him have a cream, bleaching cream. So the man them tell him, say, yo, here what? Bad shot, this can't go. Because them cream are over the amount. You understand? So you have to go take it and bring it out back and put it in your check bag where go underneath the plane. And the man grab back the cream from the officer and go on round there. Yeah, be a thing the man go on with, brother. The road manager say, yo, should we take it and bring it back out? Oh, me no want nobody tell me that, baby. Me have to wonder, what go on? Where the artist step on? You understand what at the wrong place that him come try that, brother. Dan, you can't try that from the airport with it. Dan, you can't.
Yes, good afternoon. My windshield wipers, they're not working. Yeah, baby. You see, from your windshield wiper now work, it could all be your back strut, you know.
Yeah, catch it up, because we don't want to jump.
You're going to need a new alternator. Starter.
Battery. Yeah,
what's that?
Yeah, need a new battery. This
oh my gosh. You're going to need a new radiator hose. Wow. Ignition coil. You're going to need one of them, the car. You see them there?
Them make it miss.
Yeah. Mash up.
Yeah, that broke this one.
And we need a
good engine mount, this one.
We need a new engine mount. What is that? Engine mount? Make sure we're going to tap.
Well, engine mount now, that's the engine, a vibrate.
Yeah, brake fluid, little bit string. Low!
Yeah, low bad. Alright, so you chuck the body then now that one clean.
We need some new spark plug. All of that just for the windshield wiper? We check everything. You understand?
Full check. Good thing you carry.
Yeah, because she almost lose our entire vehicle. Oh, thank you. You're so helpful. Because while I clean off it, you know, because we take care of you, you know. Alright, you just fix it. Here, fix everything. And what's the price? Yeah, 50 grand US. Wow, that's a lot. No, man, you still like all if you go down at the camera down there, sir. 100,000 US them a charge you, you know. Okay. Yeah, man, all if you go up, so 150,000. Yeah, if you go all of my name, patch it.
Yeah, road.
About $1 million. Alright, please fix it for me. Thank you. Here? Alright, babe. Okay.